Hello and welcome to Space Shark Teaches. I'm Sean, owner and lead developer of Space Shark Studios, and in this series we're going to be teaching Godot. In this lesson we're going to be covering what Godot is as well as how you get it. Godot is an open source game engine which is free to use and license free, which means you never have to pay them anything no matter how much you make off your game. It can be used for 2D or 3D development and is optimized for both, so you don't have to worry about trying to make one fit the other. It allows for multi-platform development, which means whether you're on Windows, Mac, Linux, it has an editor for you. And it allows for multi-platform games as well, so you can make a mobile game, a desktop game, something on web via HTML. It doesn't matter, you can spit it out in that language or on that platform and people can use it. It also allows for development in multiple different languages. So whether you prefer C# or C++, or if you want to use their own GD script, or if you're like in our case and you want to use visual scripting, all of them are a choice. As I said, we're going to be using visual scripting for this series. So past that, how do you get it? You can go to their site and download it. That way you'll know exactly which version you get. That's how we're going to be running with this, so that throughout the series we're going to be using the 3.0.6, and anyone coming after can use that same version to learn. An alternate method is actually getting it through Steam. So this will keep your Godot up to date and allow you to use Steam to always have it available. You don't have to worry about going and downloading every time as long as you still have Steam installed. So with that said, let's say you've downloaded it, you get a zip file which you need to decompress, and you'll just get this nice little folder with an executable. Run this executable, and that's it. No install process, nothing like that. It comes ready out of the box. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and this has been Sean with Space Shark Teaches.